Hey guys, welcome to Four Fullers Travels YouTube channel. Before we start this video, make sure you like and subscribe so that you can see our videos that we post in the future. Today we will be taking you through our new 2025 Flagstaff 374 DBH fifth wheel.
To get started, we'll take a look at the outside features and all the weights and capacity and height of the camper.
Scoot back so you can get a full view of the camper itself.
The camper is 36 feet long, 36 feet 10 inches long. Is an exterior height of 13 feet 2 inches. Has a weight just around 10,000 pounds and a hitch weight of 1,900 pounds. I tow this with a 2500 GMC and it has no issues with the towing it at all. We'll go around and take a look at the storage. This is our first fifth wheel. We moved up from a travel trailer, and our biggest of the fifth wheel is how much storage it has compared to the travel trailer. This is pass-through storage here. Walk around to our next side. Has this small compartment here, which I just throw the tire chucks in. Since it's right over the axles, kind of convenient to be setting up or tearing down, just throw them in here. Here's our outside kitchen. Has a small refrigerator. And a 2-burner gas grill. Also has another connect underneath for another gas accessory, maybe a griddle, or maybe you want a deep fryer or something. Here on the back we have outside hot water, hot and cold water. Could be outside shower or just water for your outside kitchen. Continued with more storage. This is under the bunk area of the camper. You actually have access to this compartment from the inside, so you can put something neat in there or out here, either way. Here's your ladder to the fully walkable roof. Plug in for your 50 amp power cord. Here's your freshwater tank fill. It has a capacity of 54 gallons of fresh water, 53 gallons of black water, and 92 gallons of gray water. It has a separate gray tank here for your kitchen sink and the washer and dryer, which I'll show you where the prep is for that inside. All the latches and doors are keyed the same, which is nice. You don't have to have two keys. This compartment here is not very deep, but it goes all the way to the top of the slide, so you can put fishing poles or something, kayak paddle, canoe paddle, something in there. Here's another, just a small compartment that matches the one on the other side I mentioned about, just throwing the tire chucks in. This one has a little bit deeper since it's under the kitchen area or the dining room table area. Here's the gas furnace. It's a 35,000 BTU gas furnace. Here's the other side of the pass-through storage, which has your water command system. You can do all your different selections if you're dry camping, hooked up to city water, You do all your winterization here, and you can sanitize all your lines here too as well. And just flip each knob to a certain direction to match how you're camping at the time. And it also has a hot and cold water outlet here that you can clean your sewer hoses out with when you're done camping, or just spray off something. Camper also is set up with a water filter, inline water filter, which our camper's already been winterized, so you can see it's got the antifreeze in it. And here's the water filter with cartridge that would go in that once we were camping. Camper's also set up with the Lippert auto leveling system. Pretty simple, really nice, convenient. Just back in, lower your front jacks to get the weight off the truck, pull the truck out, and then just hit your auto level, and it levels everything to where it needs to be. Then once you're done, you just turn it off and continue setting up your camper. Camper's set up with two 30-gallon propane tank, 30-pound propane tanks, one on each side. Come around to the front cap. See the large, full-size front profile. I really like how the front of the camper looks. And also, so far we've towed this camper 3 different times camping, and I haven't had to use the slider on my B&W companion hitch yet. So it's either I haven't been in a tight spot yet, or it travels really well behind the truck. There's also some storage in here where your battery compartment, your battery disconnect. I keep my tools and some blocks, extra blocks in here.
All right, that is the outside of the camper. Now we're going to take a look inside.
All right, now we're going to show you the inside of our camper. We'll start with the U-shaped dinette. This table folds down, collapses, and slides under the seats for travel. Has an 11 cubic foot refrigerator, freezer. Nice trash can, kind of hidden. I know our old camper didn't have an area for a trash can, which I really like how this one has one. Plenty of storage inside the kitchen area. Have all this above. Nice stainless Magic Chef microwave with the exhaust fan that vents outside. 3-burner Furrion gas stove and oven. Back here is the bunk area with 2 double beds and a single over top of this set of drawers and small closet. Has a dimmable light back here in this room. And if you come in here, you have your washer and dryer prep. We'll continue up towards the bathroom. Oh, also, this theater seating is electric push button reclining. So we'll come here to the control center. First off, you have your ceiling fan switch, followed by the 30 amp solar panel that's on the roof. Here's your displays for it. Tells you all your different charging and temperatures and your battery charge. Then you come down to the main control panel for all your lights, tank levels, battery level. You have your awning light, your step light, lights in the cabinets there, and your gas and electric depending on how you're camping, whether you want gas or electric for your hot water heater, your water pump, and the camper is also equipped with tank heaters for late season or winter camping. You run your awnings out and your slides from here. Also, this with the WeRV, you can download an app on your phone and control all these functions. You control off your smartphone. On up, you're going to have your digital thermostat for your air conditioning and gas furnace. It's pretty simple. It's just all touch screen. You can select. You have two 15,000 BTU air conditioning units on the roof that are ducted together, so that way the units work together to combine to cool the camper down evenly. The unit that's over the master bedroom also has a heat option to kind of help with the gas furnace. It's our bathroom with the vanity sink, porcelain foot flush commode, and a sliding glass walk-in shower, which, as I discussed earlier, we've already winterized. That's why the shower head's laying on the floor. Camper is also equipped with the max air vents that's ran off of remote. Push a button and it'll automatically open your vents and turn on a fan, and you can adjust how much air you want out with the up or down of the airs, or you can even have it draft air into the camper. And same way, you just push the button and it closes and shuts it off automatically as well. Then here's the master bedroom. Comes with a residential queen size bed. Has TV hookups ready in here. And a little bit of storage and a closet over there and storage above the bed. So now I'm going to show you the WeRV app on my phone here. As we walk out, I'll show you how you can run the awnings out just from your phone. You can be outside and watch your slide, so you don't have to worry about hitting a tree or hitting the power outlets outside at your camping spot. Now I'm going to run out the first awning. And I really like how this camper has the black awnings. It really goes well with the outside appearance of the camper. And the fact that it has the two awnings, you have pretty much your whole campsite of your camper is awning coverage. So this camper being 36 feet 10 inches long, I would say you have 35 feet of awning out here. And thank you for watching our video. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on our next trip.